What is going on, y'all? We're back with another video.
Yes.
It's DanYo.
It's Tita.
You know what I'm saying? You know, we do things a little different around here. But hey, check this out. We're back with another food review.
Yep. It's been a minute.
It's been a minute.
Yay.
This is kind of weird.
It's a little...
But anyway.
Interesting, I want to say.
I ain't going to show y'all what it is back then. But, you know, we still with the Carl Jr.
Yep.
I can't throw it that way.
I'm going to throw it that way. Throw it at them. It didn't hit you guys, right? No.
Carl Jr. has something special, y'all.
Yes.
Mini donuts, Froot Loops.
What? No.
Mini donut Froot Loops.
Thing is, let's go to Carl's, you know, they have donuts. Like, what?
Mini
Since
donut
when?
Froot Loops, bro?
I don't know, bro.
That's crazy. Now, I know, you know, let's just get right into it. Very colorful.
Very colorful.
Look at that, y'all. Very colorful, just like the Froot Loops. Smell just like Froot Loops. Tell me the smell of Froot Loops.
I need some milk.
Damn it, we forgot the milk. But check this out. Check this out, y'all. I seen a donut, regular donut, with like Froot Loops
or like
on top
pebbles on it and stuff.
Yeah, I seen that. So now we're gonna check this one out. We're gonna see if this is good right here.
Does it taste like Froot Loops? It smells like Froot Loops.
I wish we had some milk, but you know, let's get it going.
Let's get it. Get the yellow?
What's your favorite Froot Loop color?
Red.
Red's your favorite Froot Loop color? Right, go ahead.
Get the red one.
And I'm gonna go.
See, it's all covered.
Blue.
It's all covered.
Definitely all colored.
Ready?
As y'all can see in the background, you already know.
Should I go in? I'm gonna go in.
It
Whoa.
tastes like Froot Loops. It definitely tastes like Froot Loops.
Whoa.
But it's a donut. No,
my mind and my tongue are not connecting.
Wow. That's weird. That's weird. Like the regular donut I had with the Froot Loops on top, when the Froot Loops taste like Froot Loops. But this donut,
bro, this is crazy.
No.
This is crazy. That donut is on point.
That's crazy.
That is crazy.
How do they get it to taste like a Froot Loop? That's weird to me.
I wonder if they all taste the same.
They all taste the yellow one.
Is this the green one?
Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
No way. Tell me, how did you get it? How did you make mini donut Froot Loops?
Ay, Dios mío. That is
what
crazy.
Is going on?
You guys see the Froot Loops in the back? You guys see all that? It's crazy.
How did you do this, Carl Jr.? And why does Carl Jr. even have mini donuts?
Out of everybody, Carl's Jr.
That's crazy. But anyway, we did this quick review. We wanted to get this to y'all real quick. Tell us what you think about Carl's Jr. Mini donuts Froot Loops.
I am overwhelmed. Like, I'm like, you know, it's gonna taste like a donut.
Yeah.
Wow. I just don't know what to say.
Amazing. Well, check us out. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't thumbs down.
Stay down.
Stay down.
With us.
DanYo&Tita.
You
already know what it is. You already know what it's talking about. We still here. We just experimenting. Peace.
Peace.
Subscribe.